Suffocating. I don't like this color. This hurts my nose. Unbreathable. Old fashioned. Do you also have the same feeling for all the masks available in the market? Well, we at Backyard Tribe have got a perfect solution for you. Make your very own comfortable mask at home with us. Things you'll need: elastic, cloth, stencil, thread and needle, measuring tape, ruler and a pair of scissors. To begin with, take a printout of the pattern given below in the link. Start by cutting it around the edges. This will serve for both left and right side. Now select a fabric which is soft, comfortable and breathable, something that suits your skin. Now you can start tracing the pattern onto the fabric. Once you're done tracing, we need to add seam allowance for folding and stitching. So on all the sides, give 1 cm except for the side that falls towards the ear. There you give 2 cm of seam allowance. We will need 4 such pieces to make a double layer mask, 2 for the left side and 2 for the right side. So trace all the 4 pieces and add seam allowances. Once you're done tracing, start cutting the pieces. Now you have all the 4 pieces cut and ready with you. Place the pieces in a way that the left and the right side are placed opposite to each other for each pair. Now, take the left side and place it onto the right side in a way that the markings fall towards the bottom and top. Do the same for the other pair as well. We can begin to stitch now. We will start stitching the curved area which will eventually fall on our nose. Align both the pieces on top and bottom and follow the marking that you have made. Following the marking will help you retain the shape. Do the same for the other piece as well. Once you're done, unfold both the pieces. Again, place the right side, that is the front side, onto the front side and try to miter the center joint. Mitering the center part is essential to make a perfect mask. Now you can start stitching the top and the bottom part onto the markings. Once you have stitched both the top and the bottom part, you will have a pillowcase shape. Now you can turn it inside out. By now you can see the shape coming up and you are already halfway through. Now we need to fold for our last step, that is for elastic attachment. On the sides that are falling towards the ear, remember that you had left 2 cm, so make 1 cm fold and then again make another centimeter fold. Do the same for both the sides. Once you have stitched both the sides, we need to attach the elastic. You will need approximately 8 inches of elastic for one side. If you do not have elastic, you can also use a rubber band. Start stitching the elastic at the top and the bottom edge of the mask. Do the same for both the sides.
A few moments later.
Once you're done, voila! You have your mask ready. Easy, right? Furthermore, you can get artsy. You can embroider on your mask. You can paint your mask. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope to see you again. Till then, keep building, keep creating.